we should have hierarchy of values that conforms with our own system of values, right? So it starts from us, no? It starts from being true to ourselves, no? Madaling i-justify eh. Kunyari, sabihin natin, oh,
Totoo.
yung pakikisama, magandang value ng Pilipino yan, di ba? But it can be abused, right? To the point that maybe that's why we have political dynasties, maybe that's why we have corruption, yung pagiging wais, yung maabilidad. We pride ourselves on being wais or maabilidad, no? Pero sabi nga nung isang kaibigan ko, si Early de Guzman, yung founder ng Galing Filipino Movement, yung gulang, naging galing. What do we mean by that? Ang classic example ko, traffic. Pag traffic, anong gagawin iba? May magka-counterflow. Ngayon, pag nag-counterflow, di barado na yung traffic. Napunod yung sa dulo, dahil barado na, anong gagawin ng enforcer? Siyempre, palulusutin na niya, di ba?
Correct.
Kaya lang, most of the time, feeling ko, ang feeling nung driver na nag-counterflow at pinauna, parang nakaisa siya, di ba? Parang, oy,
They think that's
traffic,
fine.
di ka kasi kayo marunong dumiskarte. Ito, wais ako eh. Wais to, di ba? Maabilidad to. Without realizing na nakasakit ka ng kapwa, nakaragulang ka ng kapwa.